Hello guys! Today we're gonna see what's inside my army box. I bought this box from Miniso. It is very light, maybe because it's made of fabric and paper boards. It is a 2-drawer storage box in which you can really put a lot in these boxes. So yeah, that's it for the box. And I call this my army box because this is where I put all of my BTS related merchandise that fits in this box. So yeah, let's open the top. Charan! There you have it. It's still kind of messy. Anyways, these are the batteries I use for my army bombs. 3 of them are already used and the remaining 3 are still working. Next are my BT21 keychains. Most of them were gifts from my friends and co-workers from my birthday. So next, these bracelets. These bracelets are from the cup sleeve events. This one is from Taeyong's birthday, so you can see the winter bears here. And this one from Jimin's birthday. So we got BJM and the other is Mochi. Then I got this one from Yoongi's birthday. Next is this Jungkook keychain. And these necklace and pendants. This Jimmy necklace was a gift from a friend. So this one. And the Mong pendant, I got this from a cuff sleeve event. This pendant is also a gift from a friend. So there you have the army bomb, army, and BTS. So this one is a Chini pen. You can still see the cover here, so I still haven't used this one. So this is where I put random stuffs, especially the photo cards. Let's start off with this Bring the Soul keychain. I got this from a block screening event. Yeah, here. Next one is a Taeyong pin. I also got this from a cup sleeve event. And now these photo cards. So these are all random photo cards, both official and unofficial. I recently bought like a photo card holder for my photo cards, but these cards doesn't fit in there. And yeah, I'm planning to buy a bigger photo album for these photo cards. So yeah, that's it for the photo cards. Next is this wallet. Yeah, this is a birthday gift from a friend. So yeah, let's take it out. Oh, just a minute. Ta-da! So this is what's inside the wallet. I got this one from a Taeyong cup sleeve event as a freebie. So there you have a Taeyong photo card and a cute drawing. Now this is where I put all of my movie tickets. This one is a thing in the Uniqlo shirt, the BT21 Uniqlo shirt. So I bought 2 of them. The tickets, Burn the Stage, Bring the Soul, BTS World Tour, and a gift from an army. Now let's move on to my Jimmy notebook. Yeah, it's so cute, and we have this BT21 cards. And the last one. So here, these are from the cup sleeve events. We have their film strips. So we have Hobies, Yoongi's. This is a bookmark. And from Taeyong's cup sleeve events. This one is from a Taejin cup sleeve event. And from Yoongi's birthday. Yeah, there you go. And this is a freebie from the Bring the Soul movie. This is from the block screening event. Jimin's postcard. We have Jin's card. Jimin's. And there you have it for the top part. Now let's move on to the second drawer. So wait, let me just clean this mess here. So for the second drawer, this is the photo card binder or photo album that I was talking about, which I recently bought. So we have the members' photo cards here, both official and unofficial. I got these photo cards mostly from cup sleeve events. And as you can see, I also keep my QR codes here. So yeah. Next is the notes one, in which I still haven't finished reading it yet. And I got a cute bookmark here. And this is the pre-order gift, the notebook. We have these Jimin hand cream. And lastly, my journal, in which I call this my cup sleeve diaries. So yeah, I'm not that good in decorating stuffs, but I love decorating my notebook. This is the first page. I got all of them from the cup sleeve events. Next page is these photo card from the block screening event, and the left part are cards from the Uniqlo shirt. So these are the cup sleeves events that I have been to from 2019 to early 2020. So that was the end of 2019 and start of 2020. So we have from J-Hope's birthday, cup sleeve event. Next one is from Suga's cup sleeve event. That's it for my army box. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye!